Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Here is one more recruitment which is direct interview, direct walk-in for the post of JRFDA students in the ISRO. So when you will go to the official website of ISRO, here in the career sections you can see, I'm just opening the direct advertisement here. You can see Government of India, Department of Space, Indian Space Research Organization, Indian Institute of Remote Sensing Dehradun. They are going to recruit for the JRF direct walk-in interviews. Okay, this is again a temporary job, not a permanent job. This will be a fixed term contract basis job. So let's come to the details here. So first of all, we can see the recruitment notice here. IIRS, that is Indian Institute of Remote Sensing, a unit of Indian Space. ISRO is a premier institute of capacity. They are going to recruit here for the various posts. Okay, so the first is young and motivated candidates, Indian citizens only. They are going to recruit, are invited for the walk-in interview for the 16 temporary positions of JRF Junior Research Fellowship and 2 temporary position for the research scientist. So there are two type of vacancies. First is JRF, that is Junior Research Fellowship, and second is the research scientist. Okay, under the following research projects. So let's come to this one. So first of all, here you can see number of post code is mentioned here, JRF 106, number of positions 2 here. Project name is retrieval of geophysical parameters using this one. So this is the project. Now what is the requirement? I'm coming to this one directly. So what is the essential qualification required here? So you can see essential qualification is ME MTech in remote sensing in this case, BE Tech. Okay, ME MTech can also apply, MSc in physics computer science can also apply, and the last is BE Tech candidates in electronics and communication engineering, computer science engineering, computer science, agriculture engineering, civil engineering, water resource, or these students are applicable for applying this post. Number of vacancies is less, yeah, surely we can see, but this is a good opportunity if you want to explore yourself at the ISRO space. So yeah, surely you can try. So the second is number of position is here one only, JRF the position here. What is requirement? MTech is requirement. So here aerosol radiative forcing over India, so here are 5. So this is MTech is required, no BTech candidates is eligible here. When I am coming to the next one, this is also ME MTech students, MSc MTech can apply here. The next is the 4 position, in this case also MTech ME can apply in the civil engineering, geomatics, geoinformatics can apply here. Okay, and this is JRF 110 M planning, again here the masters are applicable. So you can see here this JRF position is for the BE Tech candidate is also, and for ME MTech candidate is also applicable. Okay, now the next is here also the master's degree required, here the BE Tech required. So you can see number of vacancies one only, but ME MTech in IT computer science applicable, or BE Tech in IT computer science is also applicable here. Okay, and next is again MTech, and next is BE Tech. So here you can see BE Tech in computer science engineering can apply here, and the project name is also mentioned. Number of vacancies is one only, post code is RS10. So you need to remember this post code so that accordingly you can see when the interview will be there, when the walk-in is there directly. Okay, here also you can see number of vacancies 1, but BE Tech in civil engineering, water resource can applicable. Okay, so you are eligible, you can apply, dear students, like this BE Tech in civil engineering can apply here. So please just go through with all these posts. You can see if suppose you fit any one of them, you can apply here. First of all, there is no charge of applying also. So you can just see now what is the minimum essential qualification required. So this is for the common JRF post, right? So this is minimum passing percentage or CGP is BE Tech with aggregate 65% marks, average of all. Okay, MSc is, if you are going with the MTech, then also minimum 60% marks is required, and BE Tech 6.80 CGPA or minimum 65% is required. Now the next is the candidate must do NET, GET or IIRS GET. So without GET you cannot apply. First of all, here the GET is essential here. Okay, qualified in any year in relevant subject. So you are having the past GET scorecard, then also it will be eligible. Okay, now or other than this, if you qualified JAM exam, GPAT, so then also you are eligible. So please check it out, this one, that who is eligible. The minimum essential qualification for the research scientist Minimum passing percentage marks is 65% in BE Tech. MTech is also eligible in this case. In research scientist post, there is no GATE exam required, which they mention here. Okay, age limit for the JRF is 28 years. Okay, in the general category, but relaxable for 5 years in SC ST, and you are from OBC, then it will be 3 years. And in the research scientist, maximum age limit will be 35 years. So on the date of the walk-in interview, physical requirement is mentioned. Fellowship, yeah, this is clearly mentioned for the JRF. For the JRF will be paid on 37,000 rupees, okay, as in fellowship per month as fellowship. Okay, no DAs allow here, but the other expenses are possible. So here it's mentioned the other perks you will get as an HRA per the rules of the government of for this purpose. Okay, if I am talking about the fellowship will not confer any claim or right for regular appointment. So this is just an fixed term job, fellowship. Okay, for the research scientist you will get here the amount is level 10 of the pay scale, and it will be present 56,100. Fellowship will be fixed in the minimum of the pay band for the research scientist. Dear students, you can just check it out, this one also. Selection process is clearly mentioned. What is the selection process? On the date of walk-in interview, the candidates will have to submit the application form along with the self-attested copies of their mark sheet, degrees, caste certificate, whatever you are having. Okay, the walk-in interview of eligible candidates will be conducted by the selection committee, and based on the performance in the interview, selection panel will be declared based on the merit only. Okay, so this is clearly mentioned. And here, in case of the large number of candidates appearing for walk-in, then they may be interviewed on the next day also. So this is clearly mentioned. So you need to show your directly all the documents you need to show for the walk-in. Okay, so important, all the advertised position are temporary and subject to fund availability under the budget. So this is also clearly they mentioned. Now this is the schedule for the walk-in interview for JRF. These position, the walk-in will be on the 8th July. Okay, for all this position of JRF, walk-in will be on the 9th, and for these positions the walk-in will be on the 10th. So you can see the accordingly your branch, you can see where you are fitting, okay, which eligibility criteria you are satisfying. Accordingly you can just see when will be your walk-in interview, 8th, 9th or 10th July. The reporting venue will be IIRS security reception. Okay, this is Dehradun. Reporting time is 8:30 AM. This clearly they mention. Now how to apply, this is also mentioned. Candidates will have to fill the interview application form to bring on the date of the walk-in along with the self-attested copy. So this is also clearly mentioned. Okay, and other conditions, few more conditions are mentioned here. What you need to do, you can just check it out, each and every detail, as the form is already mentioned here. You need to just submit this form. This is the form they already submit here. You need to just fill it, and you need to just submit it on the date of the interview. So because this is a direct walk-in interview. Okay, dear students, for more details I will just update this PDF in the comment box so that you can check it out and you can just go with the each and every detail also. Stay connected to I Must GATE Academy YouTube channel for more such type of videos. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.